Think, love. I am water because I need water to sustain my life. The essence of life. I am earth because I need the land to grow my food and the food to nourish my life. The maiden of life. I am the sun because I need his mystical energy for all of this mystical essence of life to be possible. I am the universe because I need her mystical energy of air to sustain my life, the breath of life. I am the moon because I need her mystical energy for a blissful night, the maiden of the night. That is right. The Creator breathed into his own spirit or essence and you became a living soul. Read the Bible or Quran information that facts still remains, that the presence of deity Elohim God is in you and is you, the omnipotent. What is real? You exist. What is the first reality if you exist? Those from whom you came from also exist. And this link is your soul's safe back to the source of all.